What is paleopathology and bioarchaeology? Imagine uncovering a skeleton that tells a story of health and hardship from thousands of years ago. That's what paleopathology is all about. It is the study of diseases and injuries in ancient human remains, mainly through examining bones and teeth. When archaeologists find skeletal remains at a site, paleopathologists look for signs of illness or trauma. These signs can include bone deformities, lesions, or wear patterns that reveal how people lived and coped with health issues long ago. Bioarchaeology combines biological anthropology and archaeology. It helps us understand how humans interacted with their environment and culture. Paleopathology is a key part of this because it shows the health challenges faced by past populations. For example, by studying skeletal remains, researchers can identify diseases like tuberculosis, syphilis, or nutritional deficiencies. They can also see evidence of injuries from accidents or violence. This helps paint a picture of daily life, social conditions, and even how diseases spread in ancient communities. The field uses a mix of science and cultural context. For instance, paleopathologists consider how diet, social status, and environment affected health. If a skeleton shows signs of malnutrition, it might suggest food shortages or social inequality. If bones show repetitive stress, it could indicate occupational activities or social roles. Sometimes, skeletal remains are the only clues we have about health in prehistoric times when no written records exist. Paleopathology involves many disciplines. It borrows from clinical pathology to understand disease processes, from epidemiology to study how diseases affected populations, and from osteology to analyze bones. When available, historical records or artwork can also support findings. But often, bones are the main source of evidence, especially for periods before writing was common. Practically, paleopathology helps us identify specific diseases in ancient people. It reveals patterns of trauma that might reflected violence or accidents. It also helps reconstruct ancient diets by analyzing teeth and bones for nutritional clues. This can show how environmental changes or cultural practices influenced health. By studying how diseases evolved and how humans responded, we gain a long-term view of health and disease in human history. In essence, paleopathology adds a health dimension to the story of past humans. It helps us understand not just who they were, but how they fought illness, healed, or sometimes struggled with injuries. This knowledge deepens our understanding of ancient societies and their resilience in the face of health challenges.